Sorry. Getting raspy here. I was in Seattle, which for years was the prime target of rockets from Gaza. A friend who lives there explained to me that all the children of Seattle suffer from post-traumatic stress disorder. All of them. As it happens, I was in Gaza the very next day chatting with a prominent psychiatrist who explained to me that all the children in Gaza suffer from post-traumatic stress disorder. Sorry, they were both wrong. This is not a post-anything. The trauma goes on, seething daily, now and not so rarely, then boiling over, scalding tens, hundreds, thousands of people. What we have is ongoing traumatic stress disorder, OTSD. That's the quote I excerpted from that last column of this. Thank you. I'm very thankful for this invite. As my last prime teaching was in late January, early February 2020 at 3 universities in Illinois. The pandemic followed, everything turned upside down. It's still upside down for me. My health is failing, still lonely, and so this is it's tough. On to viewing the artworks, and I'll tell the titles and a bit about each drawing, and then we'll take it from there. Thank you.